The towering symbols of modern progress. India's tallest skyscraper. One of the modern expressways. Among the country's largest seaports. A recent metro rail project and the nation's futuristic railway station. They all have one common element. The inherent strength of Kalika TMT steel. Kalika Steel Alloys Private Limited is a company founded and nurtured by veterans in the steel business. Across 2 decades, Kalika TMT Steel has emerged as a trusted quality leader, not only in Western India but also at the national level. In the steel city of Jalna in Maharashtra, Kalika Steel has set up an integrated ultra-modern steel plant with world-class infrastructure to produce high-strength TMT bars, including special alloy corrosion-resistant CRS bars. The plant operations are governed by strict adherence to global quality management systems, health, safety and environment-friendly practices. The core strength of Kalika TMT steel is derived from cutting-edge global technologies with large-scale automation. Our raw material processing plant is equipped with magnetic separators and automatic shearing machines for efficient sorting of high-quality recycled steel. Multiple induction melting furnaces carry out homogeneous melting of high-quality iron ore with high-purity recycled steel with strict control on the melt chemistry and metallurgical properties. We have installed the world's leading prime metal technology continuous casting machine with automatic controls for casting of billets with consistent strength. The hot billets pass directly to the hot rolling mill without loss in temperature, thus eliminating reheating with fossil fuel and reducing carbon footprint. The state-of-the-art rolling mill with advanced features has a 3-stage rolling process from the roughing mill to the intermediate mill and to the finishing mill. Looper systems maintain perfect dimensional accuracy and uniform strength. The world-renowned Italian Pomini quenching system carries out the critical process of thermo-mechanical treatment. Advanced Siemens controls automatically control water and air pressure for uniform quenching, self-tempering and cooling of TMT rods. Building the outer core of the bar with high strength and hardness, the middle core with ductility and the core at the center with the required elongation and flexibility to bend without fracturing. Thus, Kalika TMT bars attain superior strength with ductility, easy weldability and resistance to wear and corrosion, all in conformity with international standards. After quenching, the bars automatically move to the large rake-type cooling bed for ambient cooling. Assuring total quality, our NABL accredited Quality Control Laboratory conducts tests on samples from every lot to ascertain the mechanical properties, metallurgical strength, ductility and elongation. Our robust steel recycling process has received the coveted Green Pro certification. A modern bar handling system carries out automatic shearing, counting and bunching. An automatic bundle bending and sealing system ensures correct weight at loading and secure transportation. To help customers in fast-track construction with low inventory at site and zero wastage, Kalika Steel has installed a modern plant for cutting and bending of TMT bars. Automated systems can cut rebars of any lengths as ready-to-use steel. Supply of cut steel, neatly bundled and labeled, drastically reduces material handling at the customer's site. A lineup of bar bending machines carry out bending of different shapes to suit the intricate designs of complex columns, beams, slabs and critical foundations such as windmill foundations. Ensuring pollution-free operations, we have installed fume extraction systems, zinc and carbon separation and allied equipment. Our water treatment plant helps us conserve and recycle used water. Led by a committed management team, Kalika Steel is guided by core values of integrity, transparency, trust and quality excellence by constantly adopting the latest global technologies, enhancing manufacturing capabilities and expanding the distribution network. A mission driven by a dynamic team of committed professionals, powered by strength, assurance and heritage.